Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we will explore another work from home job opportunity. And today we will talk about Welocalize, which is a global leader in localization or translation or even data related jobs like data annotation, labeling, uh, or something related even with computer vision. And so this is one of the top tier companies, I would say, that has blended their language services with AI powered solutions. So what they generally do is they hire people as a freelancer, or they hire us on hourly basis. And I would say, compared to many other companies, their selection process is very smooth. And what I have observed, and based on the reviews I have read, they generally respond to you within 48 to 72 hours in case if you are shortlisted. Otherwise, they generally do not respond to you. And in case if you want to apply all over again for any other position, then they would respond back. Then I think you have to wait for 6 months to reapply. Uh, One of the demerit, I would say, is if we talk about their hourly wage, which in other cases you are generally get paid from 20 to $25 for data annotation or computer vision jobs. They generally pay you around $6 an hour. But I think from countries like where the income or expenses are really low, even $6 per hour is not that bad solution if you are looking it as a side hustle or even as a full-time job, depending upon how much work you get from them. So let me show you some of the jobs they have posted. uh, so I was just looking at their vacancies, and they generally have remote jobs, or this is at least what I have searched for. Because we are talking for our work from home job opportunities. So they have lots of jobs. So from customer success, as a solution engineer, to digital marketing, and they have specified if they are looking for Filipino paid media consultant, or they are looking for Bengali linguist, Dutch, French, German, Hungarian, Japanese, Korean, Romanian. So they have lots of vacancies, and because it's a language service organization, they are very precise and specific. So they have mentioned the name of the position. They have also mentioned whether it's a remote or a presential service. They have also mentioned if it's a full time or contract, as well as in which country they want these people. So I think my internet is slow, which is taking some time to download. It was really good. Yeah, so it is hanging at the moment. I will just wait and see if it can come back. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. So sorry for that. But yes, as we were just talking, we were just discussing, they want people in digital content, which is people from like South Africa, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, France, Hindi, India. They want a lyric transliteration reviewer. Then they also need people in Spanish. Chinese, Japanese, data labeler. So they have lots of jobs. Tamil, India, Telugu, India. So lots of jobs available. I think as the process, I have tried applying to it, and I got a response in 48 to 72 hours. So I think it's a good job opportunity and a smooth process compared to many other companies in which you have to spend at least an hour. I think in this, the process is of completing and uploading your resume is uh, it's around 10 to maximum 15 minutes process. So I would highly encourage that you apply on this website. They have, I think they have lots of jobs. So yeah, try your luck, and I'm sure in case if your profile suits what they are asking for, you will surely get a response from them. So this was about Welocalize, one of the many work from home job opportunities related with AI, which I have covered today. So as I always say, there are some positions which require you to have hardcore technical coding skills. And then there are all these language related jobs. There are also remote jobs for students, so they are pretty diverse. They have lots of vacancies. And if you're really serious about working from home and jobs related with AI, then I would request you to kindly click on the subscribe button and like this video so that it keeps on encouraging me to come up with more and more videos like this. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye. Thank you.